Blessings, family. It's WesTheCEO, and today I just want to talk about what's going on in the market. The market been fighting for all-time highs, right? And it just been pumping and pumping and pumping. And now we at a crucial level, this 600 level, where it's getting kind of choppy and it's starting to consolidate, okay? Because Trump and Elon been going back and forth, and our president been basically trying to impose tariff on China, and the back and forth thing with the tariff is still going on, okay? So we gotta be in mindful of that, okay? But you can always make good money with just sticking to your plan. Once you stick to your plan, no matter what's going on in the market, this is what you do, this how you gonna make your money, and that's what's gonna go down, okay? When you got faith and you got confidence in this, which side to play on, whether you're gonna be in calls or whether you're gonna be in puts, okay? You gotta stick with your plan. That's basically what I wanted to tell y'all, okay? But for sure, let me dive into my portfolio and just show y'all what to be on the lookout for this month, next month, in 3 to 4 months, okay? We looking out for the future, okay? So right now, I'm gonna start with PTLE, okay? They have a low of 22 cents, okay? With a high of $15, okay? This is a smoker right here. This is a smoker, I like them a lot, and they low, I bought them cheap, okay? We gonna go to CMCT too, okay? This is another stock that I've been looking at, okay? They got a low of, $4, and they high is $725. This is a smoker, a real big banger. If you want to get some money and you want to invest, go holler at them, CMCT. And then we're gonna move on to MKZR, okay? They at a low of 7 cents, okay? This is a good time to buy anything under $1, and they got a high $5, okay? So we're gonna be paying attention to that too. And then we're gonna look at CMBT. That's another great stock, okay? And we just gonna be buying at the low and selling at the high, right? So this the game plan moving forward in the next 3 months until anything change. Right now we going to all-time highs, and we're gonna keep this momentum. Y'all stay blessed, and if y'all want my one-on-one coaching, DM me, reach out so we can get that scheduled.